My name is Hussam Khaddour. I am a senior process safety engineer here at Velosi Asset Integrity in Abu Dhabi, where I specialized in process hazard analysis, risk assessment, and safety studies for some of the most demanding projects in the oil and gas and petrochemical sectors. I came to this field as a petroleum engineer, and over nearly 2 decades, I built my career progressively, moving through field operations, control room engineering, and senior operations roles before transitioning fully into process safety. I had the opportunity to work on projects for clients like ADNOC, QatarEnergy, FERTIL, Mobile Energy, Engro, ANI, and many other clients. Each project was different, which set the standards high. Something exceptional at Velosi is that it never compromising on safety standards, which is not the policy, but the culture here. And when you work inside the culture long enough, it becomes a part of your thinking process. What keeps me at Velosi is the quality of work, the caliber of the people, and the knowledge that every project I lead is contributing to something that actually matters.